entire thing, there's just nothing there. There's not a
No.
single thing there.
And the media has a lot to do with it. I think people that think I'm guilty, they were just a victim of the propaganda in the media, because they destroy you in the media, because the media is pro-police, they're pro-establishment.
Yeah.
So I mean, the world thought I was guilty. Everyone thought I was guilty. Which is strange, because they had such a weak case that they would say, "Hey, we know we're going to lose. So why are you putting all that effort into telling everybody that you got a strong case and you know he's guilty?" Because they're fucking stupid. They don't get it. They don't have murder trials in Westerville. They had no experience.
Right. And
yeah,
and I'm talking about.
I'm a little jaded, I guess.
A little bit. I'm talking about the evidence in total, not just what they presented. Everything I've looked up, there is not a single fucking piece. And to get away with a murder without a single piece of evidence,
well, they compared me to Kevin
do.
Spacey's character in that Usual Suspects. So I'm a criminal genius that can't spell couch.
Can't spell couch. Can't use.
How are you gonna How are you gonna do something like that and not leave any evidence anywhere? I mean, how would you do something like that? It's impossible.
And I encourage you, Josh. And seriously, if you want to have a conversation offline with me, Matt, I don't.
Well, I want to ask him. I'll ask if he's listening right now. Tell me why you think I'm guilty. Tell me. I want to know. I'm really super interested. Why you think I'm guilty? Just type it out. There must be like a one sentence answer.
And I encourage you to go back and look at the trial. I encourage you to go back and look at the commentary. And if you have something, Josh, like totally cool, you can email me. You can.
Yeah.
I'll give you my fucking number. You can call me. I don't care. Like, we can have a discussion. I'd love to have that conversation. I gave you a link. I know it's kind of last minute, but yeah, absolutely. We'll definitely.
Good luck, buddy. Have fun. Right,
we'll
go find that evidence, man.
And again, I would encourage you, Josh, to watch the trial.
Yeah.
Because
go back and listen. Go back and listen to all the shitty media out there too. Go listen to all the lies they were talking about on all the podcasts. Go ahead. Yeah. Use that. Use all the rumors that they were using against me. You can't use rumors in court. You know, it's all the hearsay and shit like that. You can't use it, and that's why I am free. Is because that shit's not allowed, and it's not supposed to be, right? Occasionally it does. Occasionally you got a shitty lawyer, but I got like one of the top defense attorneys in the nation that came in and just wasn't going to allow any of that.
Yeah.
Gandhi said this. I read Gandhi's book in jail, and he said, if you adhere yourself to the truth, the law will come to your aid naturally. The law is made in a way that if all the rules are kept, the truth just comes out. And that's exactly what happened in my case.
And that's what it's supposed to be. That's
it was beautiful. It really is. If you got a judge that knows and it's not like biased, and that's what my judge was. He just played fair, and you're not going to be able to bring a case with no evidence to trial and win if it's presented in the proper way. Mm-hmm. And Will Ever didn't allow any bullshit. It doesn't matter whether you like me or not. That isn't proof that I did anything. You know, that's what they try to do. They try to get the jury not to like you, and sometimes that works. And another thing I like what you said is they inundate the jury with evidence that's meaningless.
Yeah.
And that's a tactic by prosecutors to confuse the jury. It's disingenuous. First thing.
Well, yeah, and I think the first time I had you on, I fucking asked you point blank. Like, I wouldn't shy away from it. Like, did you kill your wife? And you know,
what I say?
So
I don't remember.
You said no. You said no.
No, I did a day.